Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2009 Yamaha Raider. This big bore 1900cc VTwin cruiser just arrived with only 9,255 miles. Really cool custom fenders and an awesome sounding exhaust system. Wait till you hear that thing. Come on by, get your custom cruiser dreams fulfilled with this awesome Raider. Blacked out engine, belt drive, no chain to mess with. Just $79.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.